Here it is with the IAC on. You hear that? I got it cranked down quite a bit. It's probably up. I don't know how much is opening, but definitely not full opening. It's maintaining the idle right around 800 there. I'm going to turn the AC off switch, ready? So when you crank the AC switch off, it drops the idle down to 4. That says 600. I don't know if that's accurate or not, but it definitely dropped from the full idle, from the AC on idle. Turn the AC back on again. And the IAC picks up the RPM. Now, if I don't throttle back the IAC, it has weird behavior. I'll show you what it does. The way it's set up right now, I'll throttle up. Shut down. Pump up a little bit. And it'll slowly back down again. Should have the AC off. Now we're going to do it again here. AC off. Throttle back. Hold it. Hangs the idle a little bit. It drops it back down to a very low idle. Now, if I don't throttle back the IAC, in other words, I go full bore with it, it's wide open now. Listen to what it does. It's probably adjusting itself right now. Hear that nice little burst it does? I don't know why it does that. But that's what it will do every time if I don't throttle it back. So on the IAC road, I guess. We'll turn more on. But if I throttle it back, so it's not full throw, then right about there is where I've been running it. It doesn't have any of that weird anomaly. Nice low idle. Now we'll turn the AC back on again. It's kind of hunting a little bit. You still hear it hunt. I'm going to try adjusting to get that hunting to go away. Hear it hunting? I just decreased the throw a little bit more. Seems a little more stable. We'll back it down. Turn it off. Is all this worth it? I don't know. I'm going to leave that up to Jeff. The alternative is he takes this thing right here. We bolt that right back on, and there's a certain amount of air that just bleeds through this. I don't know if by design or what, or leakage or what have you, but this will leak enough air. It'll probably idle about 900, 950 RPM, which is a little on the high side, but it's constant. So more load, put AC on, it'll drop down, AC off, it'll go back on just because of the constant bypass. Is all this worth it? I really don't know. Again, I did this as an experiment just to see what would happen. And again, I'll just leave it up to Jeff what he wants to get done. So the only thing we have left to do for Jeff's engine is I have to eliminate this nonsense here. He has a fitting that will go right in there to put the fuel temperature sensor into. So we'll take care of that. And I have to get rid of all this nonsense over here for the knock sensor. I only have it hooked up like this so it won't throw a code, but I have the right wire. Just have to splice it, make it long enough, and then figure out. We'll probably not put a connector on, probably just leave it unconnected, and then when Jeff gets it installed in his car, he can route the line and cut it to fit, because I'm not exactly sure the best routing of the wire, and I don't want to make it too long. I certainly don't want to make it too short. But anyway, that's about it for now. Oh, you'll see the other knock sensor right here. This will also not throw a code. Now, will it work as a knock sensor? I have no idea. Okay, I just screwed it right into here because there's a bolt hole there. It's not in the same position as this one, obviously. I don't know how significant that would be, but I'm pretty sure these are tuned knock sensors. That is, in other words, they have a bandwidth where they operate and produce a signal, you know, when they hear a certain frequency. Whereas these are, I'm pretty sure, untuned. These are more like just a microphone. So it's sending all kinds of information to the ECU all the time. Maybe it doesn't want all that, so I don't know if it really matters. But that's it with the IAC control experiment. I don't think I'll pursue that anymore. I'll hook up to mine and see if it works any different with a different model year of ECU. I don't see why it would, but just want to make sure it's going to work. So there you have it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.